All right, so we're going to go through the questions in this little review here. The first question, for what value of x will y equal 3? All right, right here, that's your y value of 3, and that happens on the line at that spot, and we're just going to follow that down to the x value. Bam, right there. So the answer is -4. When x is equal to -4, the y value is 3. All right, another example would be something like if x was equal to 2, the y value would be 0. All right, that's happening right there. So there's a lot of different points on there, and those points are just xy pairs. Okay. As x gets bigger, what's happening to the y values? They are getting deeper and deeper into the negatives. All right, and this basically happens because it's a negative slope. All right, as x gets bigger, the y values are going to get smaller. So notice here, when x equals 3, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 6, the y value is 1, and 3 is smaller than 1. Okay. If it was a positive slope, they would get bigger. If it was a zero slope line like this, okay, the y values would be staying the same. There you go. Same thing happening here. As x gets bigger, what's happening to the y values? They are also getting bigger. All right. Just to give you an example, if I let x equal 2, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 7 is -1. All right. Now, if I let my x value get bigger, let's say I let x equal 4 instead. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 7 would be 5. All right. Notice as these x values got bigger, these y values got bigger. Okay. And that all happens because the slope is positive. All right, what's the equation of the line graph below? So we're going to write our answer in y equals mx plus b form. We just have to know the m and the b. Okay. So the b is -4. That's our y-intercept. And the slope, we got to find 2 points on the line. All right, so I could use these 2 points that I've got labeled, or I could use this middle point and this one to the right. But we're just counting the rise and run to find that slope. All right, it's obviously a positive slope because it's kind of tilted uphill. But the rise is 1 and the run is 3. So the slope is 1/3. All right, so my equation is y equals 1/3 x minus 4. That'd be my solution for this one. Okay. My y-intercept is 3, so b is equal to 3. My slope, my m, looks like there's another point right here. Okay, so if I count the rise, it's actually a fall here, but it's 2, and then 1. So that's going to be -2/1. That'd be my slope, or just -2. So the equation is -2x plus 3. Okay. Okay, this one does not have a y. Well, the y-intercept is 0. That's what I should say. My b is going to be 0. My slope is 2 units up and 3 units over. So my slope is 2/3. So the equation here is just y equals 2/3 x. And if you want to, you could put the plus 0, but you don't have to. All right. This is a good enough answer.